is Damon here from Deco Exchange. Whenever I was just a wreath seller and I was trying to make and sell as many wreaths as I could, that I loved to do batch work. So I'm going to see if I can get a pipe cleaner in the hole with the rope. All right, get that tied off. Now, y'all, we're going to cheat. See where we have the pipe cleaner showing? I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue right on top of the pipe cleaner that's showing. Y'all, then I'm going to bend this rope backwards so that the rope knot is sitting right on top of that pipe cleaner so that it's not even visible. All right. Now, I want this sign to be right here in the wreath. So I'm going to get one more right down here. And to do that one, y'all, let's try the metal hole punch. Now we're going to put that hole as close to the edge as we possibly can. Now this corner is going to go into the wreath, so we don't have to worry about trying to hide that one. All right, so I'm going to just start with one ruffle on the four corners. So we've got our four on the outside. Now I'm going to go between those four and put another one. So let's try with just 8 and see where that gets us. Y'all, we're going to cut these at 20 inches. Let's get our mesh added. All right, so we're just going to curl each edge just a little bit. And then we're going to ruffle it. And then you just decide, do you want it to be kind of clean looking or do you want it to show all the texture? Whichever one you want. Clean, put it face down. Texture, put it face up. We're going to do face up. All right, add it on there. Go to our next. The ruffles are 20 inches. All right, so there's our 8. All right. So I'm gonna start with a longer tail. I'm gonna pinch it and get it a good twist. All right, I'm gonna go out about 7 inches. That's 8. And one more over here. And then a little tail up north. get our loops. Our loops are just going to get a little bit smaller every time. And our top tails are always going to be 8. Our bottom tails are always going to be the same length. Whatever size you cut them, just measure and cut them again. All right, another long tail. Do we have bow makers in stock? We do. How many rolls of ribbon do you think you own? Oh, probably 4,000 or 5,000. This one matches the sun, so I'm just going to give it a little center loop to bring that little pop of color back in there. All right, I'm going to take a 20-inch pipe cleaner, fold it in half. Pull it off. Put my pipe cleaner around it. Make sure your pipe cleaner gets around all of it so you don't lose anything. Push down on the top with your thumb. Push in with your fingers. Whenever you do that, your ribbon should fluff out. Y'all, if it don't perk up, redo it. Give it a good twist. Y'all, if it ain't perky at this point, it ain't gonna get perky. And it gotta be perky, or it ain't gonna be cute. So now I wanna get this bow as far to the outside, still forward, on this as I possibly can. All right, let's get it tied. Y'all, I'm just wrapping it right around the frame and around the mesh. Giant bow, little space for our sun. All right, gonna grab one of our suns. And I'm gonna get this one added right there in that little open space. All right, so all I did was run the pipe cleaner through the mesh and wrapping it around the frame. All right, get the last corner done and added. All right, y'all, once that's done, then we'll move our bow around to make sure that our sign isn't covered. Now we need ribbon tails. Y'all, I'm gonna start with the 4 that I need around all the bases, 13 inches. All right, 1, 2. So the 4 twists that were on the outside, we're just gonna take one of our 2.5, one of our 1.5, fold them up, pinch them, press this way so that the 2 wires are touching. And then we're gonna add them around the frame. All right, once you do that, go ahead and cut that pipe cleaner. So we don't need it anymore. And then just spread out our ribbon tails. All right, and we're gonna do that on the forward twist all the way around the outside. All right, so we've got the tails going on the outside. All right, y'all, let's get that last tail added up here. I think it looks much better and completed. All right, y'all, we made 3 wreaths tonight.